Hey guys, I got a quick video here today for my 97 Jeep Cherokee Sport. It's winter time and I started hearing this noise in the steering column. I don't know if you can hear that. Let me get closer. So it started making that squeaking noise. Very easy fix. Already found the problem. I don't know if you're going to be able to see very well in here. I might have to get a flashlight. Yeah, I'll come back. Okay, so there's this boot right here on the steering column, and there's a firewall. And that's where the squeak's coming from. What I'm going to do is push this boot back. I don't know if you can see that. Put some grease on there, and that should take care of it. Now, I'm going to use this Lucas Oil Red and Tacky number 2. This is what I have. Any grease should work. Alright, so I just got done putting the grease on. And you can see on here, there's hardly any grease on there. I just put a really small dab and I've just rubbed it all the way around the shaft there. And that took care of it. So now, no more noise.